As most people remain bearish on the Bitcoin price, the chart is telling a different story, and we are seeing multiple bullish signals printing on high and low timeframes. We are going to be getting into that as well as my exact next trade that I'm looking to take. So make sure to stick around to the end, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell because we are bringing you the most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. So let's get into this. Bitcoin over the past few weeks has gotten a move up to key resistance with bearish divergences on the daily time frame. Yes, giving us the dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boob pattern, where we see as the price was getting higher, the market Cipher B resembling Sam Bankman-Fried's chest getting lower, giving us the rejection from around 25.3K, which is why we gave the short setup in the Casper Crew VIP Discord as a potential major swing short down to around $15,000. However, what has happened over the weekend is that we have come down to a key zone of support right here from 22,770, give or take. And now we're starting to see some very bullish things form. Now, first of all, yes, this was a key level we were waiting for in the Casper Crew VIP Discord as well to take the long from that exact zone, which is why I'm currently holding the long trade right now from this exact level from the bottom. By the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give our levels every single day, our trade setups every single day, 3 live streams a day, and a thriving community, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, to take advantage of this volatility on ByBit, we have 0% limit fees if you use my affiliate link for derivatives. We also will provide 1 month free of our trading bot, an amazing tool, if you deposit $100. So that is pretty cool. Check it out if you're interested. So as we are coming down to this key zone of support, we are seeing some bullish things happen. I want to start on the daily time frame. On Market Cipher B, on the daily time frame, what are we seeing? As the price is making a higher low, we are seeing the money flow getting higher on the daily time frame. This objectively is bullish. The money flow on Market Cipher B, one of my favorite indicators in the world. This is by far the most powerful indicator that exists in TradingView, the money flow on Market Cipher B, because it will tell you what the price is going to do before the price does it. I know people will argue that fact. I backtested this. It is absolutely true. We have this now on the daily time frame coming up here. And for more information on money flow, check out some of my old videos. We also see the momentum is getting higher as the price is making a higher low, showing us a continuation pattern after we had printed a hidden bullish divergence during our last low. So what do we have here? We have a hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame from December to our last major low in February, and now we are printing a continuation pattern on the daily as we are coming down to hold the key zone of support that we've been looking at in the Casper Crew VIP Discord that I am currently also long from. So that is one thing on the daily, but let's go down to lower time frames to see what they are also saying. On the 4-hour time frame, I am seeing something that I really like for more upside, and that is this. We are seeing the 4-hour time frame print a significant bottom right here, and we are also seeing the money flow curving back into the blue. And something that happens often when we are looking at strong uptrends is the 4-hour time frame is a very good time frame to look for supports for higher lows in an uptrend. And we can do that by looking at the money flow. When it crosses into the purple, oftentimes this will act as support. We saw this in our last low right here. The money flow had crossed into the purple and was acting as our support. And potentially now we are seeing that again as the money flow crosses into the purple, and we're coming down to a key zone of support. One other thing I really like about what's happening right now on this 4-hour time frame is that for the past few higher lows, we have come down to find support at that Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. Now, if we are in an uptrend, the golden pocket retracement is a very key zone. It's actually very probable that if the price finds support at the 618.65 area, that we will continue in the uptrend. Now, something else I really like about this low here is the fact that the 1-hour time frame did give us the bullish divergence, the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern. As the price came down to hit our target, we were seeing the momentum getting higher on Market Cipher B, giving us that uneven butt cheek pattern with a very juicy left butter cheek with the gravy is just flowing out. You want to grab it and squeeze the gravy out and it right up, right? And then you've got that skinny old right butt cheek over here. So skinny like that waitress at the diner coming out with the veins popping out of her neck, smoking the cigarette. She don't care that you're not allowed to smoke inside anymore. No, she don't care, right? She's spilling your coffee all over because she's got uneven butt cheeks and she can't walk straight. But look at what happens here. When the price is coming down to the key area of support, okay, and the butt cheeks is getting higher, look at where she keeps the tip money, right? It's in that skinny right butt cheek, and that's exactly what we are seeing right now on the 1 hour time frame. Money flow also crossing to the upside. So I want to talk about some bullish indications on very high term time frames, and then I'm going to be sharing my exact trading plan for this coming week to take longs and shorts. Now, if we take a look at a higher term time frame for Bitcoin, we can see something very, very interesting. We are about to print a very rare signal on the monthly RSI, where the RSI crosses above the yellow moving average, which tends to lead to continued relief during a relief rally. We saw this happen in 2015. And more so, we saw this happen in 2019. After we had bottomed out, ranged for a little bit, we started to see a big move to the upside. And when this RSI crossed above the moving average, this gave us another big push up to that $14,000 level before we got the last pullback entering into the bull market. And we're seeing something very similar happen right now. We won't know until Wednesday because the monthly candle will close on Wednesday. And when we see that next March candle start to print here, as long as this blue candle right here for the month of February closes blue or even a doji, we are going to probably see this green RSI poke its head above that moving average on Wednesday. So really keep your eyes out for that. Okay, so what exact trade ideas am I looking at right now? Well, we have come down to a very key zone of support, and we are holding this support. And based on the 4 hour time frame, I am now looking for longs at two places. Number one, I will be looking for a retest at the $23,000 area with the Fibonacci golden pocket. If we come down to this zone now and we are getting continued trigger waves on market Cipher B, showing a continuation pattern, and the money flow continuing to get higher, for me, that is showing a strong retest of this old support resistance flip from Friday. That is long number one I'm looking for locally. Long number two is going to be actually if we take out these lows, because a lot of times we know that over the weekend, when we put in significant highs or significant lows, they are taken when the markets open during the week. And that is still bullish. And the reason why is this: if we come back down and take these lows, the 4 hour time frame will absolutely be printing the juiciest uneven butt cheek pattern in the world. Very similar to what we saw in the last low that we printed here on the that 21.4 level, right? We put in our bottom, we got a relief rally, and then we took those lows. But when we took the lows, look at the 4 hour time frame, was giving this very, very juicy uneven butt cheek pattern. We can extrapolate right now into the future and see this happen. This is what makes a trader a good trader, being able to look at a chart and extrapolate into the future and say, look, if this happens, then this is how I'm going to take action. And if you want to learn how to trade this way, you can check out the courses at jasoncaspertrading.com. We have a 20% discount on our comprehensive trading courses. These are changing the way thousands of people approach the market, giving you a clear point A to point B comprehensive system so that you can do this right. Instead of gambling away your money, instead of chasing price, instead of trading with emotion, you can come to a chart, make a plan, and then act on those plans when the time is right. So as for short trades, we have to understand that objectively speaking right now, we could be having put in our high last week up here at $25,000, which means we need to be watching for bearish signals as we come back to these key zones of resistance, potentially putting in a lower high before now putting in a lower low. And the two main zones I'm going to be watching is 23.8 as well as 24.3 to 24.6. These are areas I will actually be looking to compound the short trade that we gave in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. The short trade that I am still holding, by the way, because there is a chance that we may have already put in our high. Okay, so I'm going to be closing out this short trade if we actually start to come above these highs right here at about 24,600. I will close out the short trade and look for another entry and be holding my long trade. So this is my plan for the week. These are the levels that we need to be aware of. And that is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click that bell for notifications, as we are currently flipping this old support back into support again after it was resistance. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you're not religious, I pray that you and your family are blessed in many, many, many ways. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace, y'all.